Story time with Sisi Asake. The title of my story today is Aja àti Ìjàpá. In Yoruba, Aja is dog and Ìjàpá is the tortoise. At the end of the story, we would have learned some new Yoruba words. Are you ready? Let's go! One moonlit night in a quiet village called Ìlú Ọlọ, a hungry Aja and a clever Ìjàpá decided to steal food from a nearby farm. The farm belonged to an hardworking farmer who had just harvested a bounty of yams, corn, and vegetables. Aja, known for his speed, said to Ìjàpá, "Mo fẹ́ jẹun, but let's make it a secret." Ìjàpá, always thinking ahead, agreed, but warned, "Jẹ́ ká fọgbọ́n ṣe é." The two friends sneaked into the farm under the cover of darkness. Aja, with his sharp nose, quickly found the yam barn, while Ìjàpá, with his slow but steady pace, followed behind. As they began to gather food, Ìjàpá had a clever idea. He tied a large sack of yam to his back and said, "I want plenty. I want to carry a lot." Eh? Aja looked at him. "Just carry what you can. We'll come back again next time." Aja focused on speed. He carried only what he could hold in his mouth. As they prepared to leave, Ìjàpá noticed the basket of ripe corn. "Mo fẹ́ eléyìí, mo fẹ́ eléyìí," he said, adding it to his already heavy load. Aja warned him, "O ti gbé púpọ̀, o ti gbé púpọ̀. You can't carry that much." Ìjàpá ignored the dog, determined to take as much as he could. As they tried to escape, Ìjàpá's heavy load slowed him down. He became super slow. The farmer, alerted by the noise, came out with a lantern and caught Ìjàpá red-handed. Aja managed to escape into the night. The farmer looked at Ìjàpá and said, "Ìwọ ò ní wà rere." He tied Ìjàpá to the tree and left him there as a punishment so he could get back to him the next day. The next morning, Aja returned to the farm to find Ìjàpá still tied up. Ìjàpá was humble. Aja said to Ìjàpá, "Greed leads to trouble. Next time, let's just be content with what we need." From that day on, Ìjàpá learned to be less greedy. Although the two of them are still greedy, isn't it? But Ìjàpá had learned the importance of teamwork and moderation. The key Yoruba words from this story: Ìlú Ọlọ, the town of God. Aja, dog. Ìjàpá, tortoise. Mo fẹ́ jẹun, I want to eat. Jẹ́ ká fọgbọ́n ṣe, let's do it wisely. Mo fẹ́ gbé púpọ̀, I want to carry a lot. Jẹ́ ká ṣe ní àṣírí, let's do it secretly. Ìwọ ò ní ìwà rere, you have no good character. So we've used words in this particular story. Feel free to use any of these words, practice it, and make sure you use it where necessary. You can say the meanings, right? Thank you for listening to today's story. See you next time. Ó dàbọ̀.